in Hindi. Then I call upon Dr. Mohammed Aslam Faroqui of NIZAMABAD
Aslam, hi.
to receive the award for Best Lecturer in Urdu. Then I request K. Raghunath Reddy of DRS and YRN College, Kerala to receive the award for Best Lecturer in Sanskrit. Next I call upon Dr. V.B.C. Sundari of St. Joseph's College, Visakhapatnam to come and receive the award for Best Lecturer in History. If he is not around, then I move on to the next person, Dr. P. Bal Reddy of Tara GDC to come and receive the award for Best Lecturer in Economics. Then N. Ramesh Reddy of GDC Anantapur will receive the award for Best Lecturer in Political Science. And I call upon V. Sunita Padmavati of GDC City College, Hyderabad to come and receive the award for Best Lecturer in Public Administration. Then Dr. C. S. Sukumar Reddy of GDC Kalahasti